my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do box braid with yarn. I have two types of yarn here with me. I have this one, which is the regular yarn, and it looks like this. Yeah, and I have the Brazil wool yarn. And it looks like this. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do box braid with the Brazil wool yarn. So guys, if you want to see how I do box braid with the Brazil wool yarn, just keep on watching. And please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. I started off by sectioning the back of her head horizontally, making it straight as possible. I like when my parts are very neat, and I try to make them as straight as possible. Then I went ahead to make a smaller part vertically to get that box, should I say like a square part? Yeah, so that's it, and I started braiding it with the yarn. Need to survive, and I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl. In her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms, because pretty my baby, I can't stop. This is me showing you guys how I attach the yarn to her hair. I wrap the yarn around my fingers and I split her hair into 3, like so, and then I go ahead to attach the yarn to her hair just like that, and I braid it down. I braid it down like that. And also I like to use shine and jam to tame the hair, so I'll be using shine and jam for the tip of her hair, just to tame it so they don't stick out of the yarn. And that is what I'm doing right now. That she gives us something I need to survive, and I'd go to the sun and back for her love. I'd fight in 1,000 wars to collapse there in her arms. Pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world, she is my heart forever, my girl. In her eyes take me back to the moment. When I get to the end of the braid, I pick one of the yarn and wrap it around twice and knot it twice to secure the end of the braid. That is how I secure the end of my yarn braids. Wow, can you see how even and neat the parts are? That is what we want. That is exactly what we want. They are so even and neat. So guys, just keep on watching.
Simple, pure, and good sometimes. And I take her heart with me wherever I go. She's 1 in a million. She helps me to grow. The life that she gives is something I need to survive. And I'd go to the sun.
This is a close-up of how I wrap the yarn around my fingers. So I divide the yarn into 2 equal parts, like so, and I just gently wrap it around my fingers. And go ahead and braid it to our hair, just like that.
Back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy. No empty spaces, no empty lines, fills them all with one of her smiles. She is a temple meant to be worshipped, adored, adored. Makes me remember something I've seen deep in the fields in East Tennessee. Timeless and perfect, beautiful, charming and true. Those daisies remind me of you. I'd go to the sun and back for her love. Oh, I'd fight in a million wars to collapse there in her arms, because pretty my baby, I can't stop calling her Daisy. She is my whole world. She is my heart forever, my girl, and her eyes take me back to the moment she saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you, Daisy.
I care so much about my client's hair, so I don't pull it too tight. I can't emphasize this enough. Whenever you are doing the front part of the braid, be mindful of the edges and the tension of your braids. It doesn't have to be tight. Of course, you want to make them snug, but not tight, tight. As you can see, I'm making it snug, but I'm not pulling too tight on our edges. So that is what you want to do.
She saved me, conquering my dreams, honest and true. Wrote this for you. Feelings, he got you all in your feelings. But do you know if you're happy? Cause that's the card that I'm dealing. You're feeling anxiety. Well, baby, come try me.
I went ahead to trim the ends off camera, and finish off with the braids. She wants them really short, and that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye.